Is body contouring possible without surgery? Hi, I'm Dr. Shikha from Bliss Aesthetics, Ludhiana. Today I will tell you about non-surgical body contouring with technique which is called monopolar RF. So what is this body contouring without surgery? So if specific areas of the body are seen as we age or otherwise, if we lose fat or lose weight, the skin gets very sagged, and that can be treated with this machine which is called Exilis Monopolar RF. So this technique monopolar RF, what it does, it stimulates the elastic and the collagen fibers of a certain area and straightens them out to give a tight appearance. If you say, take the example of the upper arms, if you lose weight or with age you feel that your arms are very saggy, so that can be corrected with this machine. Even the lower abdomen, this technique of monopolar RF, it stimulates the collagen and the elastic fibers. So new fibers, they are formed in due course of time, making the skin tighter. If fat is reduced from the body or if you lose weight, then this treatment is very effective for tightening of the skin. You may have some other procedure to lose fat, or it may be just by restriction of the calories or by exercise or whatever may be the case. You always see that the skin becomes quite loose and there are folds in the skin which never go with exercise or something. So this machine promotes that skin tightening. It can be seen in the lower abdomen, it can be sometimes seen in your thighs. Upper arms is a very good example for correction. So this can be done without surgery and it is very effective in doing so. It takes about 6 to 7 sittings and the time interval between each sitting is about 7 to 10 days, and you can expect results after 1 month of taking the treatment, as slowly these new fibers, they are incorporated in your skin. So if you are looking for a non-surgical option, or if you are looking for this non-surgical lifting of your skin, then monopolar RF Exilis treatment is the answer. If you have any queries regarding non-surgical lifting of the skin, you can comment below, like, share and subscribe to our channel.